Welcome to the EdbMails Office 365 to Exchange Migration, a step-by-step guide. Are you planning to migrate from Office 365 to a live Exchange server with ease? EdbMails Office 365 migration software provides a robust and user-friendly solution that guarantees a seamless migration operation, ensuring compatibility with all Exchange server versions including Exchange 2007, 2010, 2013, and 2019. EdbMails boosts migration efficiency with concurrent mailbox transfers and incremental migration to avoid duplicates. It automates mailbox mapping and manages Exchange throttling for a smooth migration. Let's explore the migration steps. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Office 365 Migration. Select Office 365 to live Exchange migration. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the source Office 365. Select the required connection method. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the source Office 365 server. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Exchange server. Select the required connection options. Click Next to continue. Enter the target Exchange server details. Click Login to continue. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free Office 365 to Exchange migration, visit edbmails.com today.